In the entire country today, our All India Congress Party, whatever vote chori signature we have got from the entire state, all the states are doing today, we are sending it to Delhi. All of you know about the fact that Rahul ji explored the thing, how and why. In many places where Congress is strong, but we are not getting the vote. And it has come from the voters only that we are voting for Congress, we are voting for opposition, but the vote is going towards BJP. And it was told many times by the people that it has been done. Maybe it's a problem with the EVM machine. There is some digital fraud is going on. But somehow, after Haryana and Maharashtra election, it was very obvious that for everywhere where people were saying that Congress is coming back, and in the last Lok Sabha, we have proved that people are with Congress. But at the same time, the same places, the same people, we are not getting votes, and those people are calling us and telling that we have voted for Congress, but it is not reflecting in the result. So then we started the survey, and all of you know that from Central Bangalore MP, our MP election, our candidate was Mansoor Ali Khan, his constituency Mahadevpura. First, this discrepancy came from Mahadevpura. Mansoor Ali Khan is also a secretary, AICC secretary for Kerala. His constituency, first we saw that there are many problems. One person's name is coming 5 times, 4 times. Then it was told that one small room, there were 80 number of voters who are not staying over there. When the people went to see whether they are still staying or not, they have been beaten up. So it was very obvious that a very strong planning was made by the BJP to come back into power in last Lok Sabha, and also they are doing the same kind of process in the assembly also. So it is not done by the BJP party, it is been done by the Election Commission of India, because they are working what the BJP is saying. And when Rahul ji asked for the digital voter list, it was denied. So we went to the court. Also, we are doing every kind of legal procedure, but at the same time, we went to the public and asked them whether you believe this or not, that vote chori is happening. And they literally came in big numbers. And in Kerala, we have collected few bags over here, but from every district, we got that 13,91,749. Already this campaign signature has been come to us. And it has been done throughout India, and every state they have done, and many people, and almost more than 4 lakh of people. Last 2 days back, we had a Zoom call and it was revealed. But it will be more, because many people are coming again. After the second explosive was there by the press conference, explosive press conference by Rahul Gandhi ji.